With so many new cameras coming out every year, how would you answer if I asked you which are the best cameras that are here to stay? In this video, we take a closer look at the hybrid cameras that will be the most talked about in 2024. Let's start the video with a monster that could be the best of this year. Yes, the Fujifilm X2S is a powerhouse capable of shooting 40 FPS in RAW with a groundbreaking stacked sensor design. It's got a robust build, 5-axis IBIS, and mind-blowing video capabilities, 10-bit 4K at 120 FPS, 6.2K open gate recording, and ProRes RAW output. Best of all, if you're looking for a mid-range camera, it's budget-friendly for its specs. It is followed by the Nikon Z8. This camera should not be underestimated because the Z8 was the most sought-after hybrid camera last year and was voted the best full-frame camera of last year. Now let's take a look at what makes it so popular. The Z8 is a full-frame wonder with a 45.7 megapixel sensor, 8K video at 30p, and ProRes RAW internally. It excels in autofocus, shoots up to 120 FPS, and packs features usually found in pricier models, all at an unbeatable $3,999. The Panasonic S52 series offers full-frame power on a budget, and this camera can be described as mid-range. With revamped autofocus, a 24.2 megapixel sensor, and 30 FPS shooting, it outperforms many cameras in this segment. Plus, with RAW video output, ProRes capture, and more, the S52X is worth an extra $200. One of the main reasons why the S5 series is on the list is because it is a direct competitor to the Nikon Z8 and Z9. If you're on a budget, we definitely recommend looking at the Lumix S5 series. By the way, you can find all the cameras on the list via the links in the description. Of course, when we think of hybrid cameras, Fujifilm comes directly to mind. This next Fuji camera is more on the vlogging side of things. Yes, the Fujifilm XS20 is a budget-friendly gem with a 26 megapixel sensor, 5-axis IBIS, and amazing video capabilities. It supports 6.2K open gate recording, ProRes RAW, and Blackmagic RAW output via HDMI, an incredible deal for its price. In addition, if you have a little less money, we recommend looking at the previous version, the XS10. As far as Sony is concerned, the Sony ZV E10 is more of a vlogging camera and one of the lower segment cameras on the list. As we said at the beginning of the video, there are different cameras from each segment in this video. The ZV E10 is the best hybrid camera for beginning vloggers. At almost $700, it features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, real-time IAF, and 4K Ultra HD shooting. With its product showcase and excellent audio options, it's the perfect camera for vlogging success. This video is normally a 5-camera video, but we think there's one camera that can't be left off the list. It's Sony again, and in low light, the Sony Alpha 7S III shines. With a 12 megapixel full-frame sensor, 4K at 120 FPS, and dual gain technology, it's a beast in low light. Dual card slots, full-size HDMI, and advanced autofocus make it a top choice for low-light enthusiasts. This camera is neither mid-range nor high-end, but it is undoubtedly the best low-light shooting hybrid camera. Finally, I would like to tell you about the 7th camera of the list, but I leave that entirely up to you. In this video, we presented you the best hybrid cameras of 2024, based entirely on data. As a reward for the effort put into the video, you can subscribe to Photomica. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, these cameras offer incredible features for every budget. Like the video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to stay up to date with the latest news on the market. Happy shooting!